Hello, hi, my name is Abhijit Kale. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I'm having specs on my eyes, so I'm having some minus 1.5 and minus 75.75 number on my both eyes. So I came to Hyderabad Apollo Hospital for my LASIK surgery, and Dr. Rajesh Fogla, we have heard from many people like he's very good doctor and he's working in Apollo Hospital. So we came from Mumbai to Hyderabad for my LASIK surgery, and my LASIK surgery was done by him by yesterday, December 2022, and it was very good surgery, and it was LASIK surgery for 5 minutes and 5 to 10 minutes, and after the LASIK surgery, I'm having very good and clear vision, so my specs will get removed now, and I'm feeling very confident and very happy. The support staff over here is also very helpful, and they are helping in each and every situation. Uh, like we don't know Telugu, so they are helping us in Hindi and English. So that is also very great. Then we are like me and my mom came here for the surgery, and we are very happy to be here. And we'll suggest all our relatives or all our friends like Apollo Hospital is the best hospital, and we have very good doctors over here and very good staff over here. So thank you.